and welcome back to my channel. This is day 5. Day 5, Jim, can you believe it?
It's amazing how long the days are.
Of decorating the bathroom. So if you haven't seen the previous videos, if you do want to go back and watch how the how the bathroom has progressed in the decorating progress, I've said progress too many times, then please go back, watch them. If not, just see how you feel about this video and see whether, I'll start that again.
If you storyline's too confused, just go back and introduce all the characters so you'll understand it by the time you come back to this.
But this is actually the first time Jim has been in this section of videos.
This season of TV.
So you haven't missed Jim's introduction, so here's Jim. Okay, so I thought I'd rope Jim into this video because I am going to be putting up some lining paper. I definitely hummed and hawed about whether to put this lining paper up or not, because I've never wallpapered, so I've never put lining paper up. I mean, you can just paint over lining paper, but you know, you didn't even know lining paper existed either, did you?
I did not.
No. So I've done a bit of research. People say try using lining paper horizontally across the wall before putting up wallpaper. So that is our challenge today, and I just thought maybe I need another pair of hands to help me do this just in case. So Jim's, this pair of hands I shall be borrowing.
These unwilling pair of hands.
I suppose we should just get on with it, Jim, because we've procrastinated for like half the day. Let's do it. Slightly, so overlap on the side and also overlap on the ceiling, just slightly, yeah, because then we cut it.
It's gone blurry. There you go. Wait, oh, I did it.
And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy we go.
Okay, darling, if you could pull that all the way to there and slightly overlap on the skirting board, and then push the black thing down. Perfect. Get it straighter, maybe not so much overlap. That's it. Yeah, spot on, lovely. Right, keep that down and take that through to the lounge. waiting for these edges to dry completely before I try and use a Stanley knife along here, because it wasn't working because it was quite wet with the paste. So there's a lot of edges that I just have to go around and trim once it's dry. So, little update for you. I'm running low on the lining paper. I thought I'd calculated it and that I had tons. So because that job is kind of on hold at the moment, I'm going to do a few other DIY bits around the house. I've basically tried to set up the bathroom a little bit, I've given it a good clean just so that we can use it as a bathroom and it doesn't feel like a complete building site like it has done for the past week. So I've set that up, sorted that out, and I'm going to make now something that I got from Dunelm, and it's a towel rail something or other. Jim hasn't seen it yet and I'm about to make it and put it together, and hopefully just when I put it in there it'll do the job and look pretty. Yeah, we'll get that done and then see how we get on another day.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes.
I think it's beautiful and it solves the problem of me putting up shelves rubbishly because I'm just no good at it. So it solves that problem, and we can just put towels inside there as well, a little storage unit, and put the towels on there for, yeah, use them for the shower or hand towel. I like it.